Good medical morning. This is Watson from World's Greatest Medical, and today we're going to discuss acne and pimple popping. Before I get started, please make sure to check out our Instagram @GreatestMedical. I'll put a link below. And while you look at some of my favorite pimple popping examples, let me tell you a little about acne. Acne is a skin condition that occurs when your hair follicles become plugged with oil and dead skin cells. It often causes whiteheads, blackheads, or pimples, and usually appears on the face, forehead, chest, upper back, and shoulders. Acne is most common among teenagers, though it affects people of all ages. Let's look at some examples. Effective treatments are available, but acne can be persistent. The pimples and bumps heal slowly, and when one begins to go away, others seem to crop up. Depending on its severity, acne can cause emotional distress and scar the skin. The earlier you start treatment, the lower your risk of such problems. So when should you see a doctor? If self-care remedies don't clear your acne, see your primary care doctor. He or she can prescribe stronger medications. If acne persists or is severe, you may want to seek medical treatment from a doctor who specializes in the skin. For many women, acne can persist for decades, with flares common a week before menstruation. This type of acne tends to clear up without treatment in women who use contraceptives. In older adults, a sudden onset of severe acne may signal an underlying disease requiring medical attention. The Food and Drug Administration warns that some popular non-prescription acne lotions, cleansers, and other skin products can cause a serious reaction. This type of reaction is quite rare, so don't confuse it with the redness, irritation, or itchiness where you've applied medications or products. How do you treat your acne? Leave a comment below. Thanks again for watching, and again, check out our Instagram link below.
Hey there everyone, I wanted to submit a testimonial for Rest More because it's truly changed my life. After trying Rest More, I sleep better than I ever have before. Rest More actually allows me to fall asleep at the same time every night, and I get a full night's sleep, and I'm not sleepy the next day. I also personally love the fact that it is all natural, healthy, and it doesn't require a prescription.
Rest More is an essential addition to your medicine cabinet for those times you need to fall asleep but can't. Remember, when you just need more rest, get Rest More. Now available on Amazon. Good night.